Have you ever spent $1,000 on a brand new camera only to find out it crops your face into oblivion the second you hit record on 4K? Or worse, it overheats right in the middle of your best take? For the last few years, creators have been begging for a budget-friendly camera that actually delivers professional cinema features without the flagship price tag. Well, the wait is almost over. Leaks and registration data are pouring in for the Nikon Z30 Mark II, and it is shaping up to be an absolute nightmare for Sony and Canon. Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we cut through the marketing hype to bring you the real story behind the gear you care about. Today we are tearing down everything we know about the Nikon Z30 II. If you make videos, stream, or want to start a YouTube channel this year, put your credit card away and listen closely, because this new release is going to rewrite the rules of budget filmmaking. To understand why the Z30 II is such a massive deal, we have to look at the timeline. The original Z30 dropped a few years ago and quickly became a favorite for its fantastic ergonomics and lack of a recording limit. But technology moves fast. With creators demanding higher frame rates, better colors, and faster autofocus, the original Z30 started to show its age. Enter 2026. Nikon is currently riding the massive wave of their RED digital cinema acquisition. For those who might not know, RED makes the cameras that shoot Hollywood blockbusters. By absorbing RED, Nikon gained access to some of the most advanced video color science and compressed raw technology on the planet. The Z30 II is highly rumored to be the very first entry-level camera to reap the benefits of this legendary merger, making it much more than a simple spec bump. The beating heart of this upcoming beast is expected to be the IBIS 7 processor. This is the exact same silicone brain that powers Nikon's $6,000 flagship cameras. Dropping a flagship processor into an entry-level body is a game-changer. It means the camera can process an astronomical amount of data in milliseconds. This directly translates to faster startup times, zero menu lag, and most importantly, vastly superior video capabilities. For years, budget cameras were intentionally crippled by manufacturers to protect their more expensive cinema lines. Nikon seems to be throwing that playbook out the window. Rumors strongly suggest we are looking at a brand new 26-megapixel APS-C sensor, but the real magic is in the video readout. Because of that IBIS 7 processor, the Z30 II is slated to offer uncropped 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. Let me repeat that, uncropped. When you hold the camera at arm's length for a vlog, your background actually stays in the shot. But here is the spec that has professional colorists paying attention. The Z30 II is expected to record 10-bit 422 color internally, complete with N-Log. 10-bit color gives you over 1 billion shades to work with, meaning you can film in harsh sunlight, underexposed shadows, and color grade the footage perfectly without it turning into a pixelated mess. We are also hearing whispers that Nikon might include dedicated film simulation profiles inspired by RED's color science, allowing you to get a cinematic look straight out of the camera. Now, incredible color and resolution are completely useless if your subject is out of focus. This was the Achilles heel of older Nikon systems, but the IBIS 7 changes everything. The Z30 II will inherit Nikon's deep learning artificial intelligence autofocus system. This AI is trained to recognize human faces, eyes, torsos, and even animals and vehicles. It does not just guess where you are, it locks onto your eyeball and holds it, even if you turn around, wear a hat, or walk behind an object. For solo content creators, this is the most critical feature a camera can have. The Z30 II will reportedly feature a dedicated product showcase mode as well, instantly shifting focus from your face to whatever item you hold up to the lens, making it an absolute powerhouse for tech reviewers and beauty vloggers. Physically, Nikon knows better than to mess with a winning formula. The Z30 II will keep the compact rangefinder-style body without an electronic viewfinder. By removing the viewfinder, they keep the camera incredibly small, lightweight, and easy to balance on gimbals. It is expected to feature a fully articulating touchscreen that is bright enough to see in direct sunlight. Audio is getting a bump too. While it will retain the excellent built-in stereo microphones with wind noise reduction, it will naturally include a dedicated microphone input for your wireless systems. More importantly, we expect to see an upgraded tally lamp system. That bright red light on the front of the camera that tells you it is recording is an absolute lifesaver for solo creators. Furthermore, Nikon is doubling down on reliability. The 30-minute recording limit is a thing of the past. The internal heat dissipation on the Z30 II has been completely redesigned. You will be able to plug this camera into wall power via USB-C and record continuous 4K video for hours. Whether you are setting up a long-form podcast, streaming on Twitch for a 5-hour gaming session, or recording a wedding ceremony, this camera is designed to run until your memory card is entirely full. Let us also talk about the glass. Buying a camera means buying into an ecosystem. Nikon's Z mount is the widest lens mount on the market, which allows more light to hit the sensor. Over the last 2 years, Nikon and third-party manufacturers like Sigma and Viltrox have flooded the market with incredibly sharp, highly affordable autofocus lenses specifically for these APS-C cameras. You can pick up ultra-wide vlogging lenses or beautiful portrait lenses with massive background blur for a fraction of the cost of full-frame glass. So, what is the damage to your wallet and when can you buy it? Supply chain leaks and recent Chinese wireless registry filings indicate that the announcement is imminent. We are looking at a late summer to early fall release window for 2026. As for the price, Nikon is aiming right at the throat of the competition. The body only. Price is heavily rumored to launch at exactly $899. For under $900, you are getting uncropped 4K 60, 10-bit color, flagship AI autofocus, and potentially red-infused color science. That is not just a good deal, that is highway robbery. If you are a creator looking to level up your production without going completely broke, the Nikon Z30 II is the camera you have been waiting for. It forces the rest of the industry to stop gatekeeping high-end features and actually deliver value to the consumer. Thank you for tuning in to Tap Tech. We are obsessed with finding the truth behind the tech, and we appreciate you spending your time with us today. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments below, will you be switching to Nikon, or are you staying loyal to your current brand? Stay sharp, keep creating, and we will catch you in the next breakdown.